Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Costco membership QR code that won't scan. So first of all, you need to simply just start by opening the Costco application and bringing up your live digital membership card. Don't use a screenshot because Costco's scanners won't accept a screenshot of the membership card. Now, if the QR code isn't scanning at the warehouse, make sure that you increase your phone's screen brightness and hold the display directly in front of the scanner. Also, make sure that the entire QR code is visible and nothing is covering the screen. Then you need to simply check that you are using the current digital card from your Costco account. If you have recently reinstalled the app or moved your membership to another phone, the digital card may need to be transferred again. Now, if the card still won't scan, you can just simply open the Costco application and then you can check that you are signed into the correct Costco.com account and that your membership is also verified. Then you can also update the application to the latest version and then you can just simply try again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.